Hello po Collective Aries, Sun Moon Rising, ako po si James. Welcome to James Tarot PH. So diretso na po tayo sa inyong weekly reading for January 27 to February 2. Naka-pre-shuffle na po lahat ng gagamit nating cards, so start na po tayo. Take nyo po kung ano yung maka-resonate kayo and leave the rest. Let's start. Your core card for this week, we have the Page of Swords. In the area of what you want, we have the Hanged Man. In the area of what you need, we have the Four of Pentacles. In the area of your recent past, we have the Ace of Swords. In the near future, we have the Six of Wands. In the area of your challenge, we have the Ace of Wands. Wow, beautiful. In the area of your good fortune, we have the Emperor. In the area of divine advices, we have the Ten of Swords and the Seven of Swords. In the area of your outcome, we have the King of Swords. At the bottom of the deck, we have the Queen of Cups. You being nurturing and protecting itong bagay na talagang pinapangalagaan mo. You know kung paano gamitin ang iyong puso. You have the emotional maturity sa lahat ng bagay na gagawin mo. As an Aries, you're very bold, you're very ambitious, you're very eager na gawin ang mga bagay na gusto mo and you put your whole heart on it. Diba? You're very competitive too. Very, very, very Aries. So para tong trophy na to, parang you're rejoicing sa mga bagay na na-attain mo at saka na-achieve mo. So that is at the bottom of your deck. So let's try to clarify all of this as ating spread. At the center, we have the Page of Swords. Page of Swords about yung mental clarity, studying. Kung halimbawa, meron kang dapat i-research o meron kang dapat puntahan na seminar o pag-aralan, do it. If it's about contract signing, because Page of Swords parang you're signing a contract or agreeing into something, read the fine lines, basahin mo mabuti kung ano yung pinag-agreehan ninyo, kung ano binabasa mo. If you don't understand anything, ask for it. Huwag ka mahiyang magtanong sa mga bagay na hindi mo naintindihan bago ka mag-sign. Page of Swords is also about betrayal, gossiping, people talking about behind your back, mga tao na akala mo mabait sa'yo pero pagtalikod mo hindi. So beware of those people. So i-clarify natin the Page of Swords being clarified by the Two of Cups. You having this clarification within you na parang you're going after the things na mahalaga sa'yo, aligning yourself for your higher purpose, kung anong gusto mong gawin, parang susundin mo yon. Now it's a time for you to learn talaga yung dati mo pang gusto mong gawin. Halimbawa gusto mong mag-aral, mag-ballet, halimbawa lang ito, parang yun na ito, bagay na pag-aaralan mo from now on. Parang try mo na umattend ng mga workshops o seminars, o parang pag-aaral halimbawa ng ballet, kasi ito you're aligning with the things that are destined for you to have, parang ganon. So akit tayo sa taas. Sa area of your conscious and subconscious, we have the Hanged Man. Sa area ng everything that you want, you have the Hanged Man. Enlightenment, you want parang to stop muna at this moment and rethink, parang kasi usually ang Hanged Man is like you're in limbo, parang hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin, everything is stuck, everything is hanging. Pero ito, the Hanged Man dito, I'm feeling na parang ikaw mismo yung gusto mo nang tumigil. You want parang to rethink things muna bago ka magdesisyon, So the Hanged Man is being clarified by the Knight of Wands. You having that parang surrendering to what you, parang surrendering sa bagay na parang passion mo. And parang now gusto mo muna parang pag-isipan siyang mabuti. And try to like surrender it. See things on a newer light. In the area of subconscious, we have the Four of Pentacles. Financial stability, gusto mo ng pangmatagalan, siguradong pagkakakitaan. You want monetary security for you and your family. You don't want to let go yung mga bagay na parang feeling mo hindi ka sure kung may balik sa'yo, diba? Kaya ka nasa Hanged Man position, yung gusto mo nang pag-aralan yung mga bagay na gusto mong i-pursue. So the Hanged Man is being clarified by the King of Pentacles. Tama, nagiging meticuloso ka, nagiging practical ka. You want to really study muna yung mga bagay-bagay bago mo gawin, kasi you're thinking na baka magsayang ka lang ng oras at masayang yung pera mo na gagastusin mo sa bagay na yun. Kaya nandito ka rin sa Page of Swords power, kasi parang gusto mo na talagang aralin at i-research yung mga bagay-bagay. In the area of your recent past, you have the Ace of Swords. An idea. Parang merong biglang dumating sa'yo na new start, new idea, ayaw mo na ng dati, gusto mo ng bago. So, ito yung siguro yung tungkol sa bagay na gusto mong i-research, gusto mong pag-aralan, something na parang na-curious ka, you want to try something new. So, the Ace of Swords is being clarified by the Eight of Wands. Yeah, parang bigla-bigla itong dumating sa'yo. An idea, an opportunity, something na parang na-pick ng iyong interest and you want to try something new. A new found parang hobby or passion na gusto mong gawin. So, Eight of Wands, parang talagang mabilis na gusto mo siyang gawin agad-agad. In the area of your near future, we have the Six of Wands of Victory. Itong gagawin mo na ito, research, trying new things, seminar na ito, you'll be victorious in this one. Parang ito talaga yung passion na gusto mong gawin. Makikita mo, ma-realize mo na everybody is asking you, ba't ang galing-galing mo sa part na yan? You will realize na ito yung destined mong gawin and you're gonna be victorious in this part. Six of Wands is being clarified by the Six of Swords. From here on, o 666 balance. From here on, I'm seeing you na itong pupuntahan mong landas o pupuntahan mong adventure, ito pipiliin mo na career o choice will make you very, very happy and everything will be aligning for you. In the area of your challenge, we have the Ace of Wands. Kung may Ace of Swords kanina for the idea na gusto mong gawin, Ace of Wands ang challenge sa'yo ay for you to really keep on doing it. Parang consistency ang magiging problem sa'yo. Keeping that fire within you, keeping that passion, para yung gana. So may sinimulan kang may naisip kang bago, may sinimulan ka, pinag-aralan mo na, you'll be victorious on it kung you're gonna keep the passion and the fire alive within you. Maabot mo tong Six of Wands victory card kung pagkusumikapan mo siyang gawin at you will not lose interest in it, diba? So the Ace of Wands is being clarified by the Ace of Pentacles. Really, kung paano mo pahalagahan itong bagay na ito na bagong darating. Ace of Ace, it's really a good news, a new start. Ilang ace na itong dumating sa reading mo. It's really about a new start, a new beginning in you, not taking it for granted at talagang papahalagahan mo and you're not gonna let loose of this. So, hindi mo papabayaan na mawala sa iyo itong bagay na ito. In the area of your fortune, we have the Emperor. You're taking back the control in your life, the authority that you want to pursue. You having to say no to things na ayaw mo and you're gonna pursue the things na gusto mo lang gawin noon. Kung dati wala kang time o wala kang power o wala kang energy o wala kang money to pursue the things na gusto mo, now is the time, bibigyan ka ng opportunity since sa era siya ng good fortune, you will have everything that you need, the control na gusto mo at saka yung power na inalis sa'yo o hindi binibigay sa'yo before, ngayon sa'yo na siya at nasa iyo yung control na gusto mo. Let's clarify that. The Emperor is being clarified with Five of Swords. You trying to channel everything na parang pinagdaanan mo. Yes, you have mistakes, you have failures, but since now you have the power is back in you, parang malilipat mo na yung parang dating hindi mo maunawaan. Now that you have the Five of Swords, parang you're trying to channel na lang the past mistakes into something as a learning curve and now alam mo na kung anong dapat mong gawin. In the area of your divine advice, you have the Ten of Swords and the Seven of Swords. I'm saying this na parang accept that something ended and for you to have a new strategy o paano mo i-atakehin tong panibagong simula. There are a lot of aces here. New beginnings, new idea, new opportunity. So, tapusin mo na yung nakaraan. Accept and embrace this new beginning and try to strategize. If you need to learn anything or attend ka na seminar or study things, internet or acquire a degree for it and strategize on how to have these things flowing in you. Don't lose your passion. So, clarify natin siya. Ten of Swords being clarified by the Eight of Cups. Yeah, alis ka na talaga. Kakalimutan mo na itong mga bagay na nagtapos na. And you're gonna embrace na itong Eight of Cups energy mo. Sa Seven of Swords, You have the Knight of Cups. You trying to offer something new again. By strategizing, meron ka namang offer something new. New talent, new skills sa job, a portfolio mo, meron ka na bagong matututunan. So, just keep going dun sa passion na gusto mong gawin o sa bagay na gusto mong pag-aralan. Before we go sa ating outcome ng King of Swords, let's get muna another messages from the oracle cards. First, we have the Starfish Spirit. Kung nakita po kayo ng Starfish anywhere, this will be a confirmation na this message is really for you. Starfish energy, open to infinite possibilities. O, di ba ang dami mong aces? Ace of Swords. Asan yung isa? Ace of Wands and Ace of Pentacles. Really, this is about starting something brand new. So, open yourself, embrace something new, at kalimutan mo na yung nakaraan and go forward to where you are being called to by your higher power. Another message is balance spirituality and practicality. Like I've said dito, you're being practical and embracing things for your brighter future, but also you need to pray hard and amass that spirituality within you para makuha mo yung mga bagay na gusto mo. The last message will be distant thunder, clean the air. Pag-aralan mo mabuti yung mga bagay na pupuntahan mo. You know na syempre pag may bago kang asikasuhin, bago kang gagawin, of course there will be roadblocks, there will be things na kailangan mong aralin. There are things na parang kailangan mong intindihin. So those will be the distant thunder na kailangan mong pagandaan kasi darating talaga yan. So you have to clean the air just like the King of Swords here. Ang outcome mo, tingnan mo naman clean ng likod niya. Everything is clean around him. Alam niya kung anong gagawin niya. He will take no BS. He will cut the dishonesty. Hindi siya papayag na lokohin siya o manipulahin siya. At kung anong gusto niyang gawin, talagang gagawin niya. At yun yung power na makukuha mo sa iyong fortune na the Emperor. You taking back the power and authority, and the decision is yours. Truthfully and parang iyo talaga yung decision, and you have that intense power to really go for the things that you want. Napaka-clear ng skies at malinaw sa'yo kung anong tatahaking malandas at kung anong gusto mong gawin in your future. So that is your weekly reading for January 27 to February 2, Aries. Sana naka-resonate ka, i-comment mo sa baba kung ano yung mga bagay na naka-resonate ka. I will reply to your stories and to your questions and also your inquiries. See you again next week. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again next time for your weekly reading. This has been James Tarot PH. God bless everybody.